Good afternoon, students. So in the previous session we have completed exercise 14.1 first question. Now we move on to the next question. Question number 2. We have to do the factorization of 7x minus 42. So what we have to do first? We have to find the factors of 7x and then we have to find the factors of 42. Then we have to take out the common factors out and whatever left that we will keep in the bracket. 7x factors 7 into x, 42 factors 6 into 7. After factorization, find the common. 7 is common. So 7, what is left? X minus 6. So factors are 7 and x minus 6. These are the factors of 7x minus 42. If you want to check your answer, do the multiplication. 7 into x, 7x minus 7 6 are 42. Second, try to do by yourself. Now move to the third question, that is 7a square plus 14a. Do the factorization first. 7a into a plus 14, that is 2 into 7 into a. Now take out the common. So what is common? 7 is common. Then a is common. So 7a. Now what is left? That we have to keep in brackets. So a plus 2. So factors are 7a and a plus 2. If you want to check your answer, do the multiplication. 7a into a will give you 7a square plus 7a into 2 will give you 14a. So this way you can check your answer. Next we have minus 16z plus 20z. So minus 16 you can write as minus 4 into z. These are the factors of minus 16z. Plus 20 means 5 into 4, z cube means z repeated 3 times. Now take out the common factors. So what is common? 4 is common, 1z is common. So 4z we have to take out. Now what is left? Minus 4 plus 5z square. So these are the factors of minus 16z plus 20z cube. If you want to take this minus out, so what is your answer? Minus 4z, 4 minus 5z square. If you take minus out, so what happens? This minus becomes plus and this plus becomes minus. Want to check your answer? Minus 4z into 4 will give you minus 16z, minus plus 4z into 5z square will give you 20z cube. So this way we can check our answer. Okay, move on to the next question. Now see the fifth question. 20l square m plus 30a ln. So first find the factors of 20l square m, then factors of 30a ln. So 20 the factors are 5 into 4, L square is L into M plus 30 means 6 5 are 30 into A into L into M. Now take out the common factors. So what is common? 5 is common, 1L is common, 1M is common. So now what is left? 4L plus 6A. So this is the factors of 20l square m plus 30a ln. Check your answer. 5lm into 4l. 5 4s are 20, l into l square m as this plus 5 6 are 30, lm into a will give you a ln. So this way you can check your answer. 6th, try to do by yourself. Now we move on to the 7th question. Now here we have 3 terms. So what we have to do? Find the factors of 10a square, then 15b square, then 20c square. Then we have to take out common factor which is present in all these 3 terms. So let's see. So 10a square means 5 into 2, a square means a into a, minus 15 into 3 into 5 into b into b, plus 20, that is 5 4s are 20, 5 into 4 into c into c. Okay, now we take the common factors. 5, 5, 5. This is common. Then what is common? Not a single term is common now. what we can do? What is left? 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. So this is the factors
6b and 6e come down.
So these are the factors of 10a square minus 15 square plus 20c square. Want to check your answer? 5 is a 10a square, 5 is a 15b square, minus is there, 5 4 is a 20c square. So this way you can check your answer. Move on to the next question. The question is, let's see how to solve this question. Eighth one, minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4c. C8. So 4 is common in all, so we can keep it as it is, minus 4 into a, factors of first term, 4 into a into b, second term, minus 4 into c into a, third term. Now 4 is common everywhere, take it out. Now a is also common in all, so take it out. So 4a is common. Now what is left? Minus a plus b minus c. So this is the answer. Factors of this question, algebraic expression is 4a in bracket minus a plus b minus c. If you want to take out minus common, so minus 4a in bracket, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So this is also the correct answer of this question. Now see the 9th question. 9th and 10th question try to do by yourself. So now we move on to the next question, question number 3. Now see the question number 3, factorize the following. Now here we are applying the method of regrouping. If the terms are arranging itself, then no need to rearrange it. Otherwise we have to club terms in such a way that maximum factors we can take out as common. So see the first question, x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Here we are able to take common from here, and we are also able to take common from here. So we just first group in two parts. This is your first group, this is your second group. So now we take out common from here. So what is common? X square. From x square we take x as a common, and here also we take x as a common. So what is left? 1x is out, so 1x is left. So x plus y. This term is common, plus 8 is common. What is left? X plus y. Again I am repeating. Regroup the terms. If it is in group, then don't break it. Make two groups. X square plus xy, this is your one group. 8x plus 8y, this is your another group. Take common from these two terms. So x is common in both. What is left? 1x is already common, so 1x is left. So in bracket x plus y. In another bracket, plus 8 is common in both. So x plus y is in brackets. Keep in mind that this bracket is common in both. Otherwise your answer is wrong. So now we take this whole bracket as a common. Then what is left? Whatever left, that we write in the another bracket. X plus 8. So what is the factors? X plus y and x plus 8. These are the factors of x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. If you want to check your answer, do the multiplication of binomial with binomial that you have already learned in algebraic expression, so that you will get the answer. Next, second question, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. We can take common from 15 and 6, but we know that 5 is the whole common factors from 15 also. So we can regroup it again. So what we can write? 15xy, with 15 we write 5y minus 6x minus 2. So now we have two groups. So we can take maximum common factors, that's why we are rearranging them. So now from here, 15, what is the factors? 5 and 3. So what is common? 5. So what is left? 3 because y is also common. So 3x is left plus 5y. The whole term is out. So what is factors? Only 1, because we know that 5y ones are 5y. If you do the multiplication, you will get this term. Minus 6. What is the factors? 2 and 3. So what is common? The whole 2 is common. What is left? 3x. Here whole 2 is common. So what is left? 1. Now what about this sign? You have to keep in mind, when out of bracket you are taking out negative, so inside should be always positive. Okay, so here we write plus. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. So now if you want to check your answer, the minus 2 into 3x will give you minus 6x. This minus plus minus. So minus 2 into 1 will give you minus 2. If you take these two terms are negative, so obviously we have to write here minus. And when you take minus out, you have to keep here plus. Okay? This you have to take care. So now this whole bracket is common. So what we can write? 3x plus 1 is common. So what is left? 5y minus 2. So this way we can find the factors with the method of regrouping terms. Third question, try to do by yourself. Now we do fourth question. Okay. Let's see how to solve the fourth question. The question is 15 PQ plus 15 plus 9Q plus 25 P. Okay. According to our method, maximum terms we have to take out as a common. But suppose you take these two terms as a one group and this two term as another group, so you can see here from 9Q plus 25B nothing is common. So that time what we have to do, we cannot see like this that 15 is whole 15 is out of the bracket, so we can make the group of these two. No. Then we have to rearrange group in such a way that from both the group you are taking some common factors. So what we can do, just regroup it. So 15 PQ, this we can write with 9 Q. Why? Because from 9 we are getting 3 and from 15 also we are getting 3. So something can be taken out as a common. Plus 25P plus 15. So now we have this term is a group and another group is 5P plus 15. Now take 15 means 5 and 3 and 9 means 3 and 3. So what is common here? 3 is common. Again Q is common. So what is left? 5P plus 3. Okay. From the second over here, 25 means 5 and 15 means 5 into 3. So what is common? 5 only is common. So what is left? 5P plus 3. So then what happened? You are getting this common bracket. So that we have to take out 5P plus 3 is a common. So what is left? 3Q plus 5. So this way we can do the factorization of fourth question. Move on to the fifth question. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. Okay. So same way we have to do arrangement in such a way that you are taking some common. So what we can do here? We can regroup it as z minus xyz minus 7 plus 7xy. So this way you can regroup it and you can find the answer. So this fifth question also try to do by yourself. So this is all about your exercise 14.1. Whatever questions I have given as a homework, try to do it and solve. Any query you can ask me.